Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Get comfortable, because tonight you're going to learn Spanish without effort. No memorizing, no pressure, no studying, just listening. As you relax, your mind becomes more open, more receptive. And while you rest, your brain continues to absorb patterns, sounds, and meaning. All you need to do is listen. Let's begin. Hola. Hello. Hola. Hello. Buenos dias. Good morning. Buenos dias. Good morning. Buenas tardes. Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. Good afternoon. Buenas noches. Good evening. Buenas noches. Good evening. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Estoy bien. I am well. Estoy bien. I am well. Gracias. Thank you. Gracias. Thank you. Por favor. Please. Por favor. Please. De nada. You're welcome. De nada. You're welcome. Sí. Yes. Sí. Yes. No. 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 Ahora. Now. Ahora. Now. Hoy. Today. Hoy. Today. Mañana. Tomorrow. Mañana. Tomorrow. Ayer. Yesterday. Ayer. Yesterday. Amigo. Friend. Amigo. Friend. Milia. Family. Familia. Family. Casa. House. Casa. House. Comida. Food. Comida. Food. Agua. Water. Agua. Water. Tiempo. Time. Tiempo. Time. Dinero. Money. Dinero. Money. Trabajo. Work. Trabajo. Work. Escuchar. To listen. Escuchar. To listen. Aprender. To learn. Aprender. To learn. Hablar. To speak. Hablar. To speak. Entender. To understand. Entender. To understand. Ahora escucha esta frase. Now listen to this sentence. Yo aprendo español. I learn Spanish. Yo aprendo español. I learn Spanish. Yo hablo español. I speak Spanish. Yo hablo español. I speak Spanish. Yo entiendo español. I understand Spanish. Yo entiendo español. I understand Spanish. Yo estoy aprendiendo. I am learning. Yo estoy aprendiendo. I am learning. Tú puedes aprender. You can learn. Tú puedes aprender. You can learn. Es fácil aprender. It is easy to learn. Es fácil aprender. It is easy to learn. Ahora relájate. Now relax. Ahora relájate. Now relax. Respira lentamente. Breathe slowly. Respira lentamente. Breathe slowly. Tu mente está abierta. Your mind is open. Tu mente está abierta. Your mind is open. Tu mente aprende fácilmente. Your mind learns easily. Tu mente aprende fácilmente. Your mind learns easily. Mientras duermes, while you sleep. Mientras duermes, while you sleep. Aprendes español. You learn Spanish. Aprendes español. You learn Spanish. No necesitas esfuerzo. You don't need effort. No necesitas esfuerzo. You don't need effort. Solo escucha. Just listen. Solo escucha. Just listen. Now let the words begin to fade into the background. There is nothing you need to do. Nothing you need to remember. Just allow the sounds, the rhythm, the language to settle into your mind. Your brain continues to process even as you sleep. Patterns are forming, connections are building, understanding is growing slowly, naturally, effortlessly. Continue to relax. Continue to breathe and allow yourself to drift deeper and deeper into rest. And as you sleep, your mind continues learning quietly in the background. Spanish becomes more familiar, more natural, more clear. And tomorrow, you will understand more than you did today, without effort, without pressure, just by listening. Now rest and let your mind do the work. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.